Most women think better skin comes from one perfect treatment, but the women who age most beautifully build rituals, in clinics and at home.
There's a moment in every woman's life when she looks in the mirror and thinks, I just want my skin to look like it used to, firmer, smoother, more radiant, more alive. And then she sees someone else, a woman her age, maybe older, whose skin seems frozen in time. Lifted jawline, glowing cheeks, that soft lit from within quality. And you wonder, what is she doing? Today I'm taking you inside those rituals, the luxury beauty treatments wealthy women quietly invest in, and then the at-home versions that deliver remarkably similar results without the luxury price tag. If you want youthfulness, softness, elegance, and approachability, this episode is for you. Welcome back to We Are Ageless Bar, where we explore the beauty rituals used by the world's most timeless women and translate them into routines you can recreate at home. For every high-end treatment, I'll show you the luxurious, accessible, at-home version. Think of this as your personal beauty concierge service, whispering the beauty secrets women rarely say out loud.
Non-ablative collagen laser versus LYMA laser.
In high-end clinics from London to Seoul, one of the most requested treatments is the non-ablative collagen laser, gentle resurfacing that stimulates deep collagen. It smooths texture, tightens fine lines, softens pores, brightens dullness, and creates that porcelain glow finish wealthy women love. The price is steep, usually $1,500 to $3,000 per session, but results are refined and elegant. The LYMA laser is the closest at-home equivalent, the only consumer laser engineered to reach deeper layers similar to clinic technology. It's the reason celebrities use LYMA quietly between professional treatments. The ritual is slow, intentional, grounding. Over time, the skin becomes smoother, brighter, and more youthful. It's the best at-home investment for deep, lasting change.
RF tightening versus Medicube Age R.
Thermage-like RF treatments tighten loose skin, lift sagging areas, combines heat, microcurrents, and pulsing stimulation to mimic the tightening sensation of thermage-style treatments. With consistent use, the jawline becomes more defined, cheeks more lifted, and the skin more toned.
In clinics, this often includes thermage-like RF treatments, technologies that use heat to contract collagen and stimulate new production over time. That's why results aren't just immediate. They continue to improve weeks after treatment. Because RF relies on intensity, it's typically done in spaced-out sessions. Medicube works by training rather than forcing. Instead of heat, it uses electrical muscle stimulation to activate the muscles that support the skin. With regular use, the face begins to hold itself differently, more lifted, more structured, more awake. What's quietly powerful about at-home devices like this is that even women with access to the best clinics still rely on them for maintenance between professional treatments. Kim Kardashian has spoken openly about her love for high-tech skincare and at-home beauty devices as part of her regular routine. Not because clinics aren't effective, but because the glow is built in the days between appointments. This is how results are preserved. Clinic treatments deliver intensity. At-home tools deliver frequency. Skin responds beautifully to gentle repetition. With consistency, jawlines begin to define, cheeks feel more lifted, and the face looks more awake. You're no longer outsourcing your face, you're participating in how you age. Professional red LED facial versus Solawave.
High-end facials often include LED red light domes, warm, calming, collagen-stimulating therapy that reduces inflammation and promotes healing. It gives that soft, immediate event glow celebrities love.
Professional red LED facials are often used to support skin repair. They're especially popular for sensitive, reactive, or post-treatment skin because they calm rather than challenge the skin. LED doesn't push the skin, it supports it.
The Solawave wand brings red light home, adding gentle warmth, microvibrations, and ion technology. It's effortless, elegant, and perfect for morning or nighttime routines. Solawave is your daily glow companion, an easy ritual that makes your skin look luminous and well-rested.
Solawave brings that same philosophy home. Its strength is consistency. Gentle red light used regularly, even on low-energy days. This is the kind of care skin responds to quietly, over time. Microcurrent facials versus NuFACE.
Microcurrent facials lift, tone, and sculpt, often called the non-surgical facelift. Think lifted cheekbones, sharper jawline, awake eye area.
In-clinic microcurrent facials allow practitioners to target specific muscles with precision. The lift is often immediate, but like any muscle work, it requires repetition to last. That's why these treatments are usually done as a series.
NuFACE delivers the same microcurrent muscle training at home. Used daily, it tones the facial muscles and gives immediate lift and long-term sculpting. Microcurrent is the facial equivalent of Pilates, gentle, powerful, and transformational.
You're no longer outsourcing your face. You're actively participating in how it ages. You're reinforcing it through regular, controlled stimulation. Over time, the face begins to hold itself differently, more supported, more lifted, and more responsive. Sculpting facials versus Gua Sha.
Professional lymphatic sculpting facials depuff, contour, and refresh your facial structure. It's natural, elegant, subtle, the kind of lift that looks like a week of good sleep.
These treatments combine lymphatic drainage with deep manual massage. A trained therapist can feel where the face holds tension and work directly into those areas. The effect is both visible and emotional.
A carved Gua Sha tool melts tension, lifts contours, and sharpens the jawline with mindful, slow strokes. It's grounding, therapeutic, and deeply effective when used consistently.
With Gua Sha, that release becomes part of your daily life. Slow strokes don't just sculpt the face, they soften it.
The true secret wealthy women know, beauty isn't a product, it's a ritual. Not one session, not one tool, not one serum.
Before you go, we created something to help you turn this into something you can actually follow. You can download the free Ageless Bar at-home anti-aging routine checklist below. It's a beautifully designed guide that brings everything from this video into one simple, intentional ritual you can return to. If you're curious about the devices I mentioned today, you'll find them all linked below as well, so you can explore what feels right for your skin and your life. If this video helped you see aging a little differently, I'd love for you to like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which treatment or at-home device you want me to explore next. And if this way of caring for yourself resonates, join the We Are Ageless Bar community. This is a space for women over 40 who choose elegance over urgency, ritual over rushing, and intention over trends, to caring for your skin with patience, to rituals that actually fit real life, and to staying luminous at every age. We are Ageless Bar.